Best Adjustable Laptop Stand Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular laptop mounts in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this laptop stand so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this stand. The one that made our list is the Nulaxy Ergonomic Adjustable Laptop Stand. With this stand, you can raise your notebook screen height up to eye level for better ergonomics, so that it helps with improving your posture. The solid aluminum design holds up to 44 pounds in weight and can act as a heat sink to keep your laptop cool. The adjustable Z angle aligns with your wrists, so that it helps to reduce usage fatigue. The non-slip grips on the laptop stand holds your laptop firmly in place. This laptop stand works with most laptops up to 17 inches. To check out the full specs of the Nulaxy Ergonomic Adjustable Laptop Stand and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/beststandforlaptop. Here's a quick video of how easy it is to use this stand. So there you have it, the Nulaxy Ergonomic Adjustable Laptop Stand. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this laptop stand is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Nulaxy Ergonomic Adjustable Laptop Stand and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/beststandforlaptop. Alright, thank you for watching.